Hi everyone, we're at EAA Middleburg. The weather hasn't been great, but it's clearing up. A little bit windy, but everyone's in good spirits. We want to do the unboxing of the Lightspeed Delta Zulu. What you find inside is some documentation, a quick start guide, and we'll put that aside. We'll open. Comes in a really high quality bag. And inside we have Delta Zulu, very nicely packaged. It does have somewhat of a big controller, but this houses a removable rechargeable battery. Slide the battery on. Okay, and spare batteries are available, so you could always carry a spare one with you. It comes with the normal battery cells as well, and a charger. Unfortunately, I just noticed that this does not have an adapter for South African plug, so that's something you'll have to get. Yeah, there we go, with a charging cable. Right, so if anyone that's not familiar with the Delta Zulu headset, this is Lightspeed's premium headset. It has an integrated CO detector, and if you have an iPhone, you can install the Lightspeed app. It's got the Equity noise control system, which you can customize for your hearing if you're hearing impaired. The Delta Zulu features the famous Lightspeed active noise reduction capability. Also features Bluetooth connectivity to your cell phone or any music player. You can also put an auxiliary input via a 3.5mm audio jack, and you can set it up to prioritize broadcasts or your music. The music would automatically fade away with a very nicely packaged headset. So we have these on special here at EAA. We have brought some stock. Please come and visit us for a chat, review the headset. You're welcome to try it out here. And we've got stock if you want to buy it right now. Fantastic deal for them. Well, looking forward to seeing all of you here. Bye now.